Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder on this device. First of all, you need to find voice recorder app. If you don't have it in your Samsung folder, you need to access Play Store, click on the search bar and type in voice recorder. Then download this free app by a Google developer and open it. Over here, select while using the app and tap on Allow. Then click on this red button to start recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to end it and save it, click on the square one. If you wish to listen to it while recording, click on this left button over here. If you wish to add a bookmark though, click on this icon, the orange one, whenever you wish to. When you're ready, click on the square button, name your recording and choose Save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to delete it, you can do that by holding it, clicking on Delete at the bottom and choosing Move to Trash. But you can also go back and select one of those options, Standard, Interview or Speech to Text. Click on the chosen one and tap on red button to start your recording. Then click on OK. And if you wish to end it, click on the square button as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!